So I'm not usually the type of guy that picks up a microphone and starts screaming doomsday scenarios all on the internet, but there are two things that I do want to talk about that got me quite worried. Obviously, these two things, they work together, and it all involves AI. I know, I said the word. Very new. Someone talking about AI. Wow. Original idea. Well, I still want to talk about it because there are two things that are just insane to me. Like, not only insanely scary, but just insane in general. This video was kind of triggered by the RAM prices that are going absolutely insane because it's all been eaten up by AI. Even, you know, a normal consumer wanting to build a PC, you're not gonna, because, I mean, obviously RAM is the first to fall. I think the SSDs and storage and stuff is following suit as well, which is not a good thing. That would mean, well, nowadays everything is a subscription model already. You want to, you know, unlock features in a car, the features that you already have, subscription. You know, you have to get a subscription for that. You want to watch a movie series that includes like 3 movies. That's 3 subscriptions, because all 3 movies are on different subscription platforms, whatever. To get back to the computer stuff, you know, computers eventually will be subscription as well. Like you can rent a computer because buying them or building them will be way too expensive, which is a very scary idea, because you not owning anything means you're spending money to rent stuff. That means people that are renting those things out and have money enough will get even richer. Good stuff. So that's why I'm really trying to make an effort and really, you know, trying to stand firm and to go back to physical as much as possible. I know that is, like, in terms of gaming, that's already, you know, that's lost. You're gone. Because even if you buy a physical game, you're just buying a key to download it, so you still don't own it. So if they say like, oh, let's, you know, people can't play this game anymore, let's just, you know, stop that game, stop that support, they can just shut it off, and, you know, then you're there with your physical game that you can't do anything with. So for gaming, that's already lost. But luckily, you know, CDs, vinyls, and DVDs and stuff, you can still get. Vinyl has gotten extremely expensive, but CDs and DVDs, you know, they throw at your face for like a few cents or a few euros or whatever. So I am doing my best to, you know, whenever I want to, you know, buy something or watch something. I have no subscriptions anymore in terms of like watching stuff, except Crunchyroll. That's the only one that I still have left. But yeah, like I mentioned before, if I want to watch a few movies, they're all on different platforms, or they lose the rights for that movie or series and then the other one get it, and it's just a whole mess. It's terrible, so expensive. And when you buy something physical, a DVD, you have it. You can watch it today, you can watch it tomorrow, you can watch it in 20 years. It's fine, it's yours. So you don't have to worry about that. And then also, in terms of Crunchyroll, I know that, or I've seen that subtitles now are AI generated as well, which is absolutely ridiculous, because how can you translate from Japanese in this case to English, for example, without having like the context or understanding of like what the characters are saying? It's just, I've seen photos and videos, it's just a whole mess. Well, as far as I've seen, I don't know how deep it goes, but you know, we're moving towards that, which is just absolutely ridiculous. It's gonna be pretty bad, unfortunately. So yeah, if you have something like this, I mean, this is priceless, you know? So yeah, I'm trying to stand firm to, you know, buy as much physical as possible and get rid of everything that involves AI, because I really dislike it, especially in the creation field, in like creating art, music, whatever it may be. That is one of the worst things. I think AI has a place and it can help in certain things. But for music, for example, like even now when I listen to Spotify, I like to go like, you know, when you make a playlist and then under it there's like suggestions of songs you can put in or something like that. I like to go through these, but I always now have to check, is this an AI artist or not? Because the you know, the Spotify top 50 or whatever I've seen a few days ago, there were like 3 songs of like an AI artist in there. And then they did like a survey where it said that like 44% of people only care that it's AI or not. The other ones were like, yeah, I don't care, it's fine, it's good music, so it's fine. Mind is blown. mind is absolutely blown. Or even artists that are like, oh, I don't use AI to write my lyrics, for example, but I use it in the creative process or something like that. That's the whole point of making music, like the creative process you yourself go through to make the music. So AI has no place in that at all, in no field. So not in music, not in just, digital art or whatever. It's just so frustrating. And it's crazy to me how little people care about it. Like there's just people that are like, yeah, it's fine, it's all good. We want to live like this. Or people that say like, oh, it doesn't really affect me or something like that. The thing is, like, everything, circling back to computer components being expensive because AI is eating up all those resources. Your oven, your microwave, your car, like everything has chipsets, has RAM, has stuff like that in it. So everyone is eventually going to be affected, right? AI needs a lot of water, electricity, stuff like that. So everything is going to get more and more expensive, and you're going to own less and less things because, it's just a circle that we're going to go into, right? Which I hate. I'm kind of worried about where this is going because there are, too little people, I feel like, that really care about it. Or they're like, oh, I'm kind of against it, but it's there, it's convenient for me, so I'll just use it. I'm just not feeling it. And it's especially funny when like the Microsoft CEO or whatever is like, oh, please stop calling it slop, I can't take it anymore. Well, stop using it then. Like even my new laptop has like the fucking Copilot button, and it's like, oh, do you want us to record your screen? And no. Get out of here. I don't want you to record my screen. I don't want you to do anything with my computer. It's my computer. Get out of here. Fucking Copilot. Anyway, sorry for the rant. I'm just very, I will say worried, but also just, annoyed by it, because everything that you buy or see or whatever is all, AI. It is with AI. Or you want to buy a fridge? It has AI. Why? It just needs to cool my food. Nothing more, really. And yes, that is one thing. And then obviously the subscription stuff. I'm so tired of it as well. Even things that I need, like internet. I pay just for internet. I pay like, I think it went up again, like 85 euros a month for just internet. What? I know life is getting expensive and all that, but it is just absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, I went to like a secondhand store 2 days ago, and I bought like 2 CDs, 10 DVDs. What else did I buy? For like 13 euros or something like that. Perfect. I mean, yes, good. I'll have those. Like B-movie, for example. Like what an absolute find that was. Or for example, like this Lord of the Rings collector's edition Force DVD, I don't know what, it's in French, we can put it in English, for €2.50. Like how, like where you can't even find the extended, well, you can find the extended movies online, but it's convenient. So of course it takes a little bit of space, but yeah, I don't really know who wants to hear me rant about this, but I just think it's way too important to not talk about. And then also for me, like I'm very obviously a very small channel. I really don't make that many videos, but even looking online for stuff to test or to get excited for new stuff, it's very hard because everything is so going in on AI, and AI is the only important thing. For like a new phone, for example, or headphones or whatever it may be. And that's not a world that I want to live in at all. Like, it's not fun. Even at work, I'm not gonna say any companies or anything like that, but the marketing team, like, they made photos with AI to post like on Halloween or whatever it was. Garbage. Like I said, no, I'm not gonna post that crap. Like, no. You can do whatever you want. I am not gonna do that. Like, it's not. I don't stand behind that. Just get an artist if you want, like a piece of art that you want to post or something like that. Get an actual artist to do it, because there's no heart in it. There's no creativity in it. You just put a prompt in and it shits out some garbage. And I know there's a ton of people trying to defend it. In a lot of cases, yes, you can have your own opinion, obviously. But in terms of AI, I feel like people are not worried enough. It's getting pretty bad, especially also with the music stuff. Like, what's the whole point of making music if there's no soul, no heart, nothing in it? Even if it's like a stupid meme song or whatever, you know, there's still a creative process behind that. And, you know, just typing in a prompt or skipping on like production or stuff like that with AI, you know, what's the point then, you know? So anyway, I just kind of wanted to rant about that. I don't know what I wanted to achieve with this video. I just wanted to out my concern. So that's kind of it. I know I haven't posted in quite a long time. I've been I've been busy with other stuff, but also kind of burned out a little. So yeah, doing things at my own pace, but this has been catching my attention way too much. And I just wanted to, you know, talk about it a little bit. Well, thank you for listening. Hopefully I'll be back soon with a good goofy video instead of the end of the world videos. Bye.